Hey y'all, this is Torian again, coming to you with another lock tutorial video. So what I did here, I did a very cute lock bang that didn't take me long at all to do. If you'd like to see how I accomplished that style, just please stay tuned. And before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and click the notifications bell above so you don't miss another video. Let's see. Okay, to start this style, I started on dry hair. And I'm just going to add some wild growth oil. Wild growth oil is one of my favorite oils to use. So I'll be applying the wild growth oil between my parts pretty liberally. The directions for wild growth oil say use it 2 to 3 times per week. So when I use it, I'm not shy with it at all. Okay, so here I am sectioning off the front part of my hair that will serve as the area for the bang. I'm taking about 3 rows of my locks and just really sectioning that off, and I'm going to tie the rest of my hair back to get it out the way. Okay, so I begin with the very bottom of the lock bang. I fold it up to make almost like a teardrop shape, and I don't want those little pieces hanging, so I do like a tuck and pin and then loop it up into that teardrop, and I'll take just a regular black rubber band and I secure it with the black rubber band. Excuse my squinting, y'all. I didn't have my contacts on. I couldn't see if it was focused. But you take that rubber band and you basically secure it with the rubber band. I do it a couple times around. And that is your first lock bang. And you'll continue this process until all of those locks have been secured into a bang. I'll show you again. Okay, so again, I'm doing like a nip and tuck at the end of the lock, and then I loop it up and I connect those, or I guess I secure them with the rubber band. So you nip and tuck at the bottom and then roll it up into a teardrop shape to almost make a illusion of what we would want to call a bang. If your hair is a little bit longer, this next section will show you what to do if you have the longer locks. Okay, so for longer locks, what I ended up doing was taking the end of my lock and twisting it around the base of the lock. So base as in the area of the scalp. And so I wrapped that around probably 2 or 3 times. I did this on the top layer of the bang just to give it a little bit more, just to conceal it a little bit better. Because my locks are getting longer. So you wrap that around about 2 or 3 times, and then again you secure it with the rubber band at the base of the lock. So if you have longer hair, just wrap your ends around the base near the scalp, and you'll secure it just like before with a rubber band. Okay, so now that we've secured our bangs, we've hid any flyaways with the bobby pin. Now the hair can be worn down. This could be a style itself. This would be super cute with a scarf or some sort of headband right above the bang. But instead, I want to go for more of an updo style. So I'm just going to do a very simple bun. So stay tuned to see how we get the bun popping. First things first, I'm going to start getting my hair into a ponytail as high as possible. So I'm just kind of manipulating my locks to achieve that. Just trying to get a nice high ponytail, because this will be the area that I'm going to anchor for my bun. So I'm just working and manipulating my locks until we can get it right where I want it, on like the very tip top of my head. Okay, so here I'm taking an ouchless headband to secure my ponytail. My hair is a little bit too long and too thick for a regular hair tie, so I'm using an ouchless headband to secure that bun at the top of my head. So right now I am pulling and manipulating all of my locks to one side of my head. So I'm going to be using my quick bun method where I use a hairnet to secure my bun super quick. Basically what you do is you use the hairnet as a bag of sorts, and you're going to tuck all of your locks. You're trying to get all of your locks inside of this hairnet while it's on the side of your head. Being on the side is important, and you'll see why in a moment. But you're trying to use it, and you're going to basically drag all of that hair across your head using the hairnet. And it's basically going to give you the illusion of a wrapped, sleek bun, but in about 3 seconds. So again, I'm wrapping them around the front of my head. Do not stress about perfection right here, because you can always bobby pin and tuck things later. So you wrap that around as many times as it can go to give you the effect that you're looking for. And at the end, you will finally just kind of tuck it in place in the back. I will also make a video about this in the quick bun tutorial, because this is basically how I do all of my buns. And it's a little bit more of a detailed process, so be on the lookout for the quick bun tutorial. Okay, and finally, right here, we're just kind of doing some maintenance. Anything that's kind of flying away or sticking out, we're just going to pin it with the bobby pin, manipulate it as best as you can. Everybody's situation will be different. So anything that just doesn't look sleek, I'm pinning. And just like that, that's it. I think this style is super cute across any season, but especially cute for the fall, winter time. It's a versatile style. You can wear this to work. You can wear this to a party. Super cute. Make sure you guys connect with me on social media, on Instagram at TorianIsAllThings, or check out my blog, which is sheisallthings.com. You'll see all the information in the description box below. Bye-bye.